Guess the animal. Look at the pictures of animals on the side. Choose the correct animal name from the options provided next to each picture. Which word matches the image? A. Cat. B. Monkey. C. Mouse. Which word matches the image? A. Lion. B. Capybara. C. Elephant. Which word matches the image? A. Panda. B. Otter. C. Rat. Which word matches the image? A. Dog. B. Kangaroo. C. Giraffe. Which word matches the image? A. Bear. B. Sloth. C. Koala. Which word matches the image? A. Tiger. B. Goat. C. Deer. Which word matches the image? A. Cow. B. Horse. C. Elephant. Which word matches the image? A. Sheep. B. Flamingo. C. Pig. Which word matches the image? A. Capybara. B. Rhinoceros. C. Hippopotamus. Which word matches the image? A. Zebra. B. Fox. C. Duck.